Machinery Consultants here in Salt Lake City, Utah. We are going to video this Marvel Model 8 Mark I vertical bandsaw. Serial number 810712. The blade capacity at 45 degrees on a horizontal 18 inches. On the vertical 14 inches. It's got a T-slotted table area. The table's 24¼ inches by 33 inches. The maximum distance under the blade guide, 22 inches. The throat depth is 18 inches. It's got 3 blade speeds, 150, 230, and 335 feet per minute. The blade size, 14 foot 8 inches by 3/4 inches. It's got a 3 horsepower main drive motor. It weighs about 3,000 pounds. Comes complete with a head that tilts left to right to 45 degrees, quick action vise, power feed and manual infeed, has auto stops, and also the table is T-slot. The condition of this marvel is marvelous. From long-term storage, totally great looking machine, and it runs very well. Now we'd like to run this machine for you. But first I'll show you these gear changes under here. It's got a nice screened gate for safety. And you can go right there and change the gears. On an idler pulley.
Wonderful.
Okay. Okay, fire for it. Okay, the machine also comes with a manual, instructions and parts. Run it in my hand, or it has power feed.
So manual infeed as well as power infeed. That's cool.
Okay, you can see the power feed moving from the handle. It's not going to move very fast, of course. It has to have time to saw. There is the power feed, and you could actually probably see the blade moving in if you focused on it at the table level there. Fairly simple machine, easy to use. Okay, now I want to swivel this head for you. If you want to show this chart here, swivel you to a 45.
Oh, cool. So take it to the desired degree, just lock the handle in.
Exactly.
Here's the locking handle right here. Perfect.
Okay. I can't really think of anything else. Like I said, it's a very simple machine, easy to operate. So I think that pretty much wraps it up. Does have an oiler on it.
Has the one-shot lubricator on it, standard. Oh, it sure sounds quiet and smooth.
Yeah, it's a beautiful machine.
Here's the
Large capacity. Okay, automatic shut off when you kick it back. Bring it into your part, turn it on, turn the feed on. Easy to operate. Okay, I think that pretty much does it. On behalf of all of us here at Machinery Consultants, I'd like to thank you for viewing this. And if you have any other questions, please give us a call. We'll be glad to answer any questions you might have. Thanks again.